ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Vasanta Rangamani. I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline Toll Free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. One thing that every house has, none of us likes are cockroaches. It will be really hard to get rid of them. Let us listen to Mrs. Lalita Rao to know what she has done when she discovered group of cockroaches. Over to Mrs. Lalita Rao.
The invincible Mr. Cockroach. I got up that Sunday morning and I said, "Oh, today is Sunday. Let me make my hot tea. I can sip it and relax. No hurry for anything." I entered the kitchen, put on the light, and oh my God, these cockroaches! I can't stand them. I must kill them. They run so fast, they will disappear under some crevice in the counter or wall. Where is the broom? I sprited to the other side of the room. Couldn't find the broom. This Lakshmi, my maid, keeps it wherever she likes. I can't get anything when I need it. Oh, maybe I should use my chappal. Where did I keep my chappal? Did I leave it in the bathroom? Or did I leave it in my bedroom? Oh, my memory these days is so bad. I seem to forget a lot of things. Oh no, I think I should consult Chippy about it or Chandana about it. Oh no, in my search to get the broom and chappal, I seem to have lost track of this nuisance of a creature. Okay, since it's gone now, let me make my tea and I will track it down later. I shall not leave it. But my morning resolution of being calm and relaxing has all disappeared. I kept thinking of it. If there is one cockroach, it'll multiply and my kitchen will be invested by these. I must do something to eradicate them. I went and got the Hit Roach gel from the shop. The shopkeeper promised Ma'am, you just have to put drops of this gel in crevices and it'll do wonders. I came with the gun ready in hand like a soldier to destroy my enemy. Next morning, I expected a miracle, but the cockroach was still there, and the cockroach put his head up under the stove below the grinder, playing hide and seek with me. I will have to do something. Someone advised me clean the counter with Dettol. Then they can't stand the smell and will disappear. I tried it, but in vain. I dropped naphthalene balls in the sink and drains, hoping that it'll keep them away. They managed to creep up in between balls. My, what a sort of creature these are. Such frustration. I also prepared some balls with atta sprinkled with boric acid and some sugar, hoping to trap them as advised by some of my friends. But no use. Then, as I was searching, that morning I saw in the newspaper an ad. A unique way to kill a cockroach, it said. Only send 2000 rupees to the above address online and you will have it and get rid of it. I was so happy. So immediately I sent the money online and then waited for the parcel. I got it. The parcel contained, when I opened it, two pieces of wood. The instruction given there was catch and hold the cockroach, keep it in between the two blocks and press them hard. Cockroaches will be squashed. Oh my God, I have been duped. I spent so much money foolishly over nothing. I threw those things. Then came the last resort. I got the phone number of the pesticide control company known as Godrej. I called them. They said, Madam, we are very busy. We can come to your house after 2 days, maybe in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. Well, I waited so long, I may as well wait for 2 more days. So I waited. When after 2 days they rang the bell, I excitedly ran to open the door and welcomed them with such expectations and relief. They came in, they said, Madam, these cockroaches are not native ones. Looks like they are mutants. Must have come from Germany. They breed very fast and spread fast also. Just like our Omicron, you know. Have you any empty cartons with which you got these, either this fridge or washing machine or the dishwasher? Mostly it lodges in between and comes. They must have come from there. So the culprit was there. It was a foreign invader. With vengeance and hate, I took all the boxes and the cartons and put them out into the corridor. And they sprayed something, the Godrej people, in the kitchen. They did something, and before leaving, they said, Ma'am, it is quite a bad investment. So we may have to come again after 1 week or 10 days and spray again. We will try. Well, I had paid a big amount. So I nodded my head and said, okay. That night I slept with so much of things in my mind. Only cockroaches plagued my thoughts. And in my dream, I saw the giant sized cockroach with long mustache, twitching it, and big eyes like an alien, and with a sword in its hand, coming on a war foot. I tried to fight also, but wasn't very successful. I thought, now I must appeal to NATO to help me. I can't fight alone. Morning when I got up, I remember Dr. Viji's lecture. She said, unknowingly we harm lot of insects. That karma will be in our diary. They will attack us and we have to pay for it. We should pray to them to forgive us, or we may suffer some way or the other. So I closed my eyes and asked forgiveness from these hideous creatures whom I hated, and they were my enemies. But I asked forgiveness. I had already spent so much money and energy in fighting it. I realized these cockroaches must have been invented and are so tough and evasive that they will last beyond man's survival. No doubt about it. They will live and live forever. The invincible Mr. Cockroach.
Thank you, Mrs. Lalita Rao. That was beautifully narrated. Listeners, I hope you too felt the same. Stay tuned to Hiriyara Vani for more such programs. Bye for now. Take care.